children. Now the exercise first of chapter first. Choose the correct option. Which factor does not help in the formation of the soil? Rocks and temperature. Which soil is generally found in the delta region of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha and the plains of Ganga's alluvial soil? In which region is the method of making contour bunds used for soil conservation? Hills. Man uses blank the most. Surface water. Ghana Bird Sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. Now next is exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. Blank village has an important place in joint forest management system. The answer is village. Social forestry scheme is getting financial assistance from blank. World Bank. Forest fire control project is working in association with UNDP. Blank and blank are established to protect the conserve wildlife, national park and sanctuaries. Now match the columns. First, Corbett. Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Dachigam, it is Jammu and Kashmir. Manas, Assam. Periyar, Kerala. Forest Fire Control Project, it is in Chandrapur. Now very short answer type questions. What is meant by soil erosion? This answer is in page number 15. And what do you mean by soil conservation? This answer is also in page number 15. I am showing you. Here is soil erosion. Draining of soil due to running water or wind is called soil erosion. And soil conservation, prevention of soil erosion or depletion is called soil conservation. Next question is, what are the sources of underground water? The sources of underground water are wells and tube wells. Next, what is the basis of modified forest policy of 1998? The basis of modified forest policy of 1998 is to protection of forest, to conservation and development of forest. Next, what is the basis of the success of social forestry? I will show you this answer in the last in this video. Why has Indian Institute of Forest Management been established? So this answer is page number 12. I am showing you. Establishment of Central Forest Commission in 1965 to here development programs. This answer is in from here in 1965. Central government established a Central Forest Commission. Its function are to collect information and data, to broadcast technical information, market study and to coordinate the institution engaged in forest development program. This answer from here to here. Next question is, what is meant by soil profile? Explain. This answer is in page number 3 and 4. I am showing you. Soil profile is the sequence, color, texture and nature of the horizontal layers superimposed on one above the other and exposed in a pit section dug through the soil mantle. Uppermost layer is topsoil, second layer is subsoil, third layer is weathered parent rock material and fourth layer consists of parent rock. Topsoil of the uppermost layer is the real soil. Its important characteristic is the presence of humus and organic matter. Second layer is subsoil, which consists of rocks, sand particles and clay. Third layer consists of weathered parent rock material and the fourth layer is made of parent rock. This is the answer from there to here. This is your short answer type. Next question is, what is the importance of soil in human life? Explain. This answer is in page number 3. I am showing you. Soil is a valuable wealth. Soil is the basis of economic development of our country. According to an American pedologist, Dr. Bennett, soil is the uppermost layer of the unconsolidated particles found on the earth's surface, which is made up of parent rocks and vegetation. All living organisms get their food directly or indirectly from soil. We get cotton, silk, jute and wool for making clothes from soil, either directly or indirectly. You have also write down from here, our industries like animal rearing, agriculture and forest based industries are all depend on soil. According to Wilcox, the history of civilization is the history of soil, and the education of the individual begins from the soil. This is your short answer second. Now question number 3. Differentiate between red soil and laterite soil. This answer is in page number 6. I am showing you. Here is the red soil and here is the laterite soil. You all have to divide your copy into two parts, copy page, notebook page into two parts to write the difference between the red soil and laterite soil, and then write the answers in the points. This soil is derived by the disintegration of crystalline and metamorphic rocks in dry and wet climate. First point. And first point of laterite soil is, this soil is formed in the regions which have dry and wet seasons by turn. The second point is, red soil is porous in nature. And the second point of laterite soil is, it is poor in lime, phosphorus and potash but rich in humus. Third point is, it is found on the hill slopes, and the laterite soil is found on flat highlands. These are the answers of, these are the three difference of between the red soil and the laterite soil. Now next is, what are the measures of water conservation? This answer is in page number 8 and 9. I am showing you. So you all have to write down this answer from here. In view of limited availability of water, its increasing demand and its uneven availability, it has become imperative to conserve the water resources. Following 3 steps are essential in this direction: to collect the rainwater and stop it from draining off, scientific management of the water resource of all the river watersheds, minor to major, prevention of water resource from pollution. Now next question is, rainwater harvesting is important. Why? I will show you this answer in the last in this video. Conservation of forest is necessary. Why? Conservation of forest is necessary. This answer is in page number 10 and 11. You have to start answer from here. Forests are national wealth. In India, about 20.64% of total geographical area is under forest. This is 1.7 of the world forest area. The country possesses an average of 0.11 hectare per person area under forest. Variety of unevenly distributed forests are found here. According to P.H. Chattarvak, forests are the national wealth and are very necessary for civilization. They not only provide wood but also provide variety of raw material, fodder and generate national income. Their indirect benefits are very important. And then you have to write, plantation is not only economically useful but also important for clean environment. So these are the forests contribute directly and indirectly to the national economy. This is the answer. Next question is, explain forest based industries. I will show you this answer in the last. How does forest control the climate? This answer is in page number 11. Write down the chief characteristics of the forest policy of December 1988. So this answer is in page number 11. I am showing you. The answer you have to start from here. The main aim of the forest policy of 1988 is protection, conservation and development of forest. The policy holds the following objects from here 1, 2, 3 to you all have to write down these all points 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the points of the forest policy of December 1998. What is the soil forestry scheme? Next question is, what is the soil forestry scheme? So I am showing you this answer. This answer is in page number 13. So sorry, soil nahi hai, social forestry. This program of plantation is started in association With World Bank, it aims to plant useful trees in wastelands, wastelands, roadside and canal embankments near villages.